Hey everybody, and welcome back to the MindCatcher's channel. Today I have something super wonderful to share with you guys. This is from Makeup Revolution and EmilyNoel here on YouTube. This is the Wants palette. I'm covering up the name. The Wants palette right there. You guys have heard all the buzz and everything, and I used this palette today on my eyes. I'm very pleased with the look. There are 24, I was going to say 64, Lord. There are 24 shades in this palette. Beautiful shades. I already sneaked it on Snapchat, showed you guys some colors. I gave you a little sneak peek on Instagram, showed you guys some colors. I did not swatch it or anything. I just went right into my eyes and did this look. Also, there is a huge mirror, and I'm very happy about that. And there is a black in the palette, so I'm very happy about that. A nice, very rich dark black, so I'm very happy about that. And a dark brown, we could always use that. There it is there. So this black is called Dark and Early, and the brown is called Apartment. And I didn't use either one on my list today, but I love to have a palette that has that option. All right, so we're gonna jump right into the tutorial. I will leave Emily's information down below how you can purchase this palette. I heard that it was sold out on Ulta's website, so congratulations, Emily. That means a lot of people love you out there and support you. And I heard that they're gonna try to hurry up and get it back in stock. I'm trying to edit this video before Monday, so this is a holiday weekend, Labor Day coming up. So hopefully you guys can catch a couple of other deals on Ulta's website as well as this palette. I believe it was $20 and some change, so check it out. All right, on to the tutorial. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. eyeshadow primer if I can find it. So I put on the primer because I have oily lids and I want this makeup to stay on and not crease. I'm also going to apply a little bit of NYX. This is their tan eyeshadow base. Yeah, tan. Okay, I'm going to apply that on my lid. So just in case if I want to use some color, it's going to pop against my skin tone. Because I haven't really decided what I want to do yet. So whenever we apply a cream, we want to apply a powder to set. So I put the cream on. I'm going to choose one of these colors in the palette. I think I'm going to use Midwest. It's right there. And I'm going to apply that all over my lid. I'm just using a big profusion brush here to do that. Just applying it all over. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Prayer. We all could use a little prayer. I'm going to put that on with a blending brush right there in the transition area. And because I have hooded eyes, I'm going a little bit above. Very pretty tone. I love this color. That's very pretty. I think this will be pretty all over the lid as well. Nice bridal color. The next shade I'm going to go into is called Cheer. It's down here. A little deeper. We're going to go kind of in the crease with that and blend it a bit with the transition area. You see that? That's very vibrant. And the colors are blending with each other pretty well. This is my first time using anything from Makeup Revolution. So I'm kind of digging it. All right, I'm going to switch out blending brushes again and go into the shade P-Fi or Fee-Fi. Right here in the corner is a deep plummy color. Do I want to go there? There is another shade there that looks pretty too called Family. Let's go with the P5 first, or Fee-Fi. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, that's beautiful. And that kind of matches my shirt. And we're taking that a little bit lower than the color Cheer. And we're blending it And like I said, because I have hooded eyes, I have to take everything just a little bit higher so I'll have more lid space. Now the Fi is not blending like the others. It is a very pretty color. It's not blending out like the others though. I might have to go into the shade family just to see. I'm going to tap into the shade family. Just tap into it because I'm very curious about that deep purple. I'm going to tap into it. Right in the same area I put the Fi. I'm going to tap into that. Okay, so the shade family is a little smoother than the Fi. Okay, liking that. Pretty cute. I heard that it's best to swipe with the shimmery shades. I've been watching a few people use the palette. So I'm going to go into the shade Eve Rose. I believe that's one of the names of her children. I want to say that one and Belle Violet. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is a beautiful, beautiful shade. Very, very nice. It's a duochrome, like a, oh my goodness, it's like pink and grayish, and there's a lot going on with that shade. I can't even pretend to know all the different shades in that. Alrighty, friends, I'm gonna go around that shade, just tap some of that darker purple around it. A little bit of family, a little bit of Fi or Pi-Fi. I'm gonna put a little bit of corduroy, which is a greenish shade. I'm gonna put that in my lower lash area. Alrighty guys, I'm going to use a little bit of black in my waterline. And this is Makeup Forever's Aqua XL pencil. Love these. I'm just going to neaten up under my eyes with a little concealer because I went a little overboard here. I'm using the ColourPop concealer. I'm going to be applying some mascara to my top lashes. I will be applying some falsies, but I want to deepen them up because I know a little shadow got on them. And I always apply a little primer on my bottom lashes. I just think that primer and the mascara makes them pop. So that's what I'm doing down here. Okay, we're going to put a little mascara right over that primer. I'm using the Butter London mascara. Oh my, how high. I'm applying a little bit of wing liner. This is my Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny Tip Liner. I love this thing. I really, really do, guys. Try it out. All right, so that's what we're looking like without falsies. And I think it looks beautiful. But I'm still going to apply some falsies. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the, what are these? House of Lashes Sirens. And I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so this is my look with the Wants palette. And I think it came out very, very nice. I saw lots of people doing the green on the bottom lash line. I thought that was pretty cute. Instead of just leaving it bare. But you can do that too. I think it'll look nice either way. The lashes just add that pizzazz to it. A little nighttime fun. But I think she did an awesome job with these colors. It's very, very nice. Lots of nice greens in the palette. Lots of colors that you can use as transition colors for women of color. You saw me work it out. So if you were on the fence about purchasing the palette, go ahead and purchase and support her. I really, really enjoy her channel, like I said before. And if you go over there, if you're a person that loves to learn, and she really goes in depth about each product she's talking about, and I really like watching her, okay? So you guys go ahead over there. You're going to definitely learn something. Tell her that the MindCatcher sent you and get you this palette. And if you're interested in what I have on my face, my foundation and stuff like that, I will have that video up, and I'll link it to this video in my description box as soon as it's edited, and vice versa. So be sure to check both videos out. Please, please, please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I am trying to get to 50,000 subscribers, so go ahead and subscribe if you have not. I'd love to have you. There's going to be a nice giveaway at 50,000, so you don't want to miss that. And that's about it. Also, visit me on Patreon. I'd love to have you over there too. All right? Cyber kisses. Bye.